Happy day. Happy Wednesday to you. Finishing up my walk. Out here moving my body. If you move your body today, it's not too late. It's not too late. Get up right now and start moving. Moving wherever you are. Move your body. Be good to your body. Take care of it. You only get one, y'all. Take care of it. Take care of it for not anybody else, but for you. Right? Spirit, mind, body. We got to put that work in every day. Wake up, pray, give thanks, count your blessings, journal, whatever you do, meditate, do your Tai Chi, Qigong, whatever. Move your body.